Welcome to Math Fraction Series, lesson number 1. Review of what is a fraction. The whole is divided into 5 equal parts. One of the equal parts, also called a fraction of the whole. So each one of these equal parts is called a fraction of the whole. A fraction is always less than a whole. Each of these fractions is written with a number above a line and a number below the line. This line is called the vinculum or division bar. The numerator, which is the number above the vinculum, tells the number of parts being considered. And in this case, here we have 1, meaning one part is being considered. The denominator, the number below the vinculum, the denominator tells the number of equal parts the whole has been divided into. And in this case, the whole has been divided into 5 equal parts. The denominator also names the fraction. In this case, since we have 5 equal parts, the fractions are fifths. The whole is divided into fifths. Each part or fraction is called 1/5. So 1 being the part considered and 5 the total number of parts that the whole has been divided into. Then we're going to naming a fraction and some examples. So example 1. Now shade 3 parts out of the 5 equal parts and name the fraction. So we have our 3 shaded parts. So I'll do the diagram to help us. So our whole divided into equal parts. Here we have our vinculum, and above, total number of parts considered, which would be the 3 that we have to shade. Our numerator, 3, and below the vinculum, total number of parts in the whole, 5, and the denominator, here we have our fraction. So the fraction that is shaded is 3/5. So let's look at our parts. Remember, each part is 1/5. We have to shade 3 to add 1/5. So we have shaded 3/5 of the whole, or 3/5 of the 5 equal parts. Another example, shade 2 parts out of the 5 equal parts, and again name the fraction. So shaded 2. So again with our diagram, our total number of parts considered, 2, which will be our numerator above the vinculum. Here we have our total number of parts in the whole, again which will be 5 equal parts. Our denominator 5, here we have our fraction, 2/5. So the fraction that is shaded is 2/5. Another example. Now shade 4 parts out of the 6 equal parts and name the fraction. So here we have a whole divided into 6 equal parts, and we are to shade 4 parts. So here we have 4 parts shaded out of 6. So the shaded fraction of it would be 4/6. 4, our numerator, above the vinculum, 6 the total number of equal parts in the whole, and 6 names it fraction, so 4/6. Now what fraction of the shape is not shaded? So we're looking at the not shaded parts, which would be 2. So the 2 parts are considered not shaded out of the total number of parts in the whole, 6. So here we have the fraction as not shaded is 2/6. Practice activity of first. What fraction of the shape is shaded in green? 3/4. 3 parts shaded out of 4 equal parts, so 3/4 or 3/4. What fraction of the shape is shaded in white? 2/3. What fraction of the shape is shaded in green? 6/6. What fraction of the shape is shaded in white?